let's talk about how you can pull audits on your deals, repair orders, and part invoices. This does require the employee to have permission to do so. So today I'm on the System Setup tab, and I have pulled up an employee profile. Moving over to the User Information tab, which is where your permissions are listed below. Now, there's a couple of ways to do this. You can either scroll down in the list of permissions until you find the Access to Audit button, or you can turn off the blue buttons above by clicking them and turning them white, leaving only the System button turned on, which is where you will find the Access to Audit permission. We'll make sure that that check mark is here, and then of course always save. Now once you've done that and given permission, you can then go into a deal, and you should find the Audit button on your toolbar, and you'll see everything that has been tracked since the initiation of the quote. It shows the name of the employee that took the action, along with the date and time of the modification. And then over on the right side, you'll see what it shows before and then what it looks like after. And that's an audit from a deal view. You can also go into a repair order, and you'll see the Audit button here. Again, providing that specific detail of everything that has taken place on this repair order since it has been open. Any changes would be in the before and after columns. The same thing with a parts invoice, and the Audit button is on your toolbar. Again, all the detail as necessary.